So finally we arrived at the top of the mountain. We are above 240 feet, and this is the mast in which we are going to install our VHF antenna for our repeater. So this mast is for Comoro Telecoms, but UNDP is allowed to use it, so we are going to use it. So we have here this small room in which we have some servers, some switches and some equipment. Here we have the solar panels. Some of the panels are for Comoro Telecoms, and UNDP have just its panels here. So I'm going to show you the antenna and the repeater. We already assembled the antenna yesterday, and today we are going to mount it. So you have the antenna here, it is already mounted, okay, and this is the repeater that is going to be programmed. Then we are going to ground it. We have here a ground path, so we are going to ground it. Okay, so this is Elasan Gay from Mauritania Country Office, WFP Mauritania, and I'm here in support for UNDP. We are going to help them install some VHF repeaters, okay, and I'm accompanied by a guy from Comoros Telecoms who are going to help me to climb, Mr. Abu Bakar. He's from Lanyon School, so he's very old school. So this is it. So we have here the mast, and the elections are just coming in the end of this week, so we are going to make sure that we maintain a communication available 24 hours, 7 days. Okay.